she won't get you.
Oh. Give myself a chance here. Let's see. Are you kidding me? Who built this character? Oh, that's crazy. Hey, wipe your ass. Wipe your ass. It's pretty hard to get.
Go down. Wait, go to there.
It's gonna go here.
Wait. Oh no, no,
This one.
I'm
Yeah,
not gonna make it.
I will. I'll make it.
And yeah. Okay. Pretend this is your new house. Okay. Jump up here. And make it stronger. Good strength. Okay, now you have a lot of energy. Okay, go up there.
And most places, for
I'll see. I'll look.
They literally say yeah. My game doesn't do shit.
Let me see.
Like you're very limited. So it's like, what's the point?
There you go.
You guys you're hungry?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, stay there.
Think so?
Yeah, stay there.
Think so?
Yeah, stay there.
No. I
Come
gotta
on.
move, kid. I'll go this way though.
I see one! Right there! Go,
I'm gonna
go,
go say
go,
hi.
go, 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 go. Huh? Stop.
Here we go.
Somebody crashed your car.
Oh, no, you see that?
Yeah. You kind of giving me this. Stop. Thế này. Nó đâu? Sao. It's a tiny gun. Does someone need to do a toilet?
I think so.
Okay, this time, go in the pool. There's something.
It's gonna make me fly. Yep, watch.
Okay, go all the way to the gardens.
Where?
Over there.
Where?
See the snow?
You want me to go to the snow?
Yeah.
Okay. As far as I can, I will. I'll get as close as I can.
You have to run really fast. Wait, there's something.
I'll fly. I'll fly. Do that. Then go.
And snow. You almost hit that log.
Ooh.
Oh, I saw somebody. No.
Oh, you shoot right behind me. Chicken.
It's snow.
Try.
No. Okay. There's a lot of Wait, go up there. Go to the mountain. Go to the mountain.
Oh.
No, go to that mountain.
Okay.
Mountain.
Try.
That's a big mountain.
I know, I gotta
After
run.
After
You're
that,
tired.
you're not even gonna get tired. You're not a human. You're just playing a game.
Come on.
This is the perfect spot.
Nice.
More energy. We need more of those ones.
You do.
No one can find us either. Some was here because I was there's someone needs to wash their hands. Look,
Wanna go over there?
there is a
You
big
wanna go
one.
there or no?
Yes.
In the
Oh,
plane?
airplane. Yes.
In the plane?
Yes. Go, go. Go up, 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 up. And
Hold on.
go over there. Zip line. Oh.
Oh.
No, 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 no. How?
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go really high. We're gonna go really high. We're gonna do this.
Okay, go downstairs. So somebody was that now.
There's a box. See it? I'll do this. I'll do this. Alrighty.
You've got one thing.
No,
There's a gun down there.
I already got it. I'm full. Look at, I can only fit that much. I can't fit that much. I'm gonna go like this.
Let's see.
Like this. Now I can go. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're good.
This is the one that we did. We're gonna
Okay, cool.
Look, we
So
are.
now I can go in here and I can hide in here.
It's like there's somebody we can just hide. Look, we can see everybody.
Mm-hmm.
If you imagine, like,
Pretty
Key and
high,
I
huh?
was. If you imagine Key and I. Oh, look, somebody's already there. Don't fall. Let's
Close.
go on the left side. Let's go on this side. You can jump. Be careful, don't fall.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
okay, I think
Say we
there's
go down.
somebody.
Let's say we go down and just look. What do you think? Because we can always run back up the stairs.
Yeah.
You know?
Wait, or you can. Oh wow, there's a lot of things that you can
Okay.
collect. Be careful, there's a thing down there. There's a thing down.
Ooh, what's that?
I don't know, just go down there.
Think so?
Jump.
Really?
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, yeah, I'll take that.
What is it?
A float.
Oh, you can float?
Yeah.
Okay, use that for two.
Save that one.
Yeah, save
Okay.
it. So if you fall, you have to float.
That's a good point.
Treasure. Huh? Oh.
I got good guns.
If you use them though. Okay.
Double 7. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
I'm gonna move. We got it, we got it, we got it, we got it.
And after that, you have to go to the water. And after that,
This gun will shoot really far, so if we see somebody, we can probably take a shot.
do it at the window. I
What is
see.
that? I don't see anything.
Because you are so far away. Don't even think about it. Oh, a turkey. So if you see
But let
something.
me see maybe this side.
Oof, 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 oof.
Oh, they gotta come this way. The circle's gonna come. Oh no, I gotta go.
Huh?
I gotta go.
Go. Huh?
I gotta move.
No?
Yeah,
No.
because that storm's coming. It's coming really close to me,
Run, run,
so I
run.
gotta run.
Jump out the window. You
Can
can't.
I? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, we gotta go.
Where?
I don't know. We gotta move. You see the storm? See the circle? I gotta make the circle. Just in the circle. That's it. That's it. That's it. I just gotta make it in the circle. So I can go up here. Ooh, see that person?
Shoot him. Okay.
I gotta go up. Ah, yellow. Ah. Can I come up? Yes.
They used a parachute. Poop, poop, poop. Let's move. Okay. He's coming in. Poop, 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 poop.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Look, there's a parachute. Thank you.
It's a lot, cuz.
Oh, don't. There is a parachute.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay.
Okay, use the zip line.
We're up here.
No,
Go up here.
yes, that one.
Where?
Right there.
And go there. Take it. Okay.
Check the cows. There's something in there.
Keep one here either.
Okay. Go in the house. You'll be safe in there.
This one up there, right here.
And jump. I'm coming.
Oh no.
What happened?
Silly goose.
Jump. jump, 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 jump. Jump. See on the
I think I gotta do this right here.
There's somebody. Look. Right there. That's it.
I got it.
Stairs.
Oh, I got it. Look at it. Check it.
Hmm?
See, we gotta stay in the circle too. Somebody's really close. Somebody's really close.
It's shrinking.
Trap. What was it? Yeah, trap.
The trap.
Good play. He got me.
Oh my god.
God. I chased. I shouldn't have chased. GG's. I need some dinner. GG's, y'all. Bella made the skin, by the way. She went hard. Hold on. Oof. Bella made this skin. That was fun. Pretty great. Pretty great. GG's.